Hey everyone, I'm Tyler. I'm your camp director here, and we have Jamie, our office manager, and we are here to show Clay, our camper, how to pack his possibility sack. You need a possibility sack because the day could present any possibility. Rain,
Like this?
storms, chilly air, nighttime, who knows what. So we want to pack all of our possibility sacks this way. And yes, Clay, just like that.
Okay.
Are you ready to pack?
Okay. I'm ready.
All
What
right.
do I need?
Well, the first thing we need, of course, is a water bottle so we can stay hydrated during the day. Jamie, do you have a water bottle?
I do. Here you go, Clay.
Okay, I got it.
All right.
I'm thirsty. Can I drink it? Can I drink?
No, don't drink water bottles.
I think Jamie might have drank
It's
out.
your water bottle.
It's my water bottle.
Oh. I'm going to pass it back down then.
All right, come back down, Jamie. All right.
Okay,
All right.
I'll get another water bottle.
The next thing we need, of course, is some chapstick or lip balm. We got some right here. Clay, I'm going to drop it to you. Ready?
Okay.
Here it comes.
Thanks. It says CSC on it.
No problem.
What does it taste like? I bet it tastes good. Can I eat it?
No, you cannot. All right.
Okay.
The next item that we need is we need some sunscreen or sunblock to protect ourselves from the sun. Jamie, do you have some of that?
I do.
All right.
Ready to throw it on up to you, Clay.
Okay. I put some on already. I already put some on.
All right, well, we're going to reapply very soon just to make sure. All right, next thing that we need, of course, we can get those afternoon thunderstorms. So it's always good to have your rain jacket or poncho ready. So, Clay, here, it's coming to you. Ready? All right.
I got it.
Got that?
I got it. I'm going to put it in my pack.
All right, put it
Okay,
in.
it's in my pack.
Good. All right, next thing we need, it can get night or it can get dark early. So we'll want to make sure we have our headlamp for those night walks back to the cabin.
Ooh.
Jamie, do you have a headlamp?
Yep, you can have mine, Clay.
All right.
Okay, I got it. Mine's blue. Does it
All
work?
right. Got your headlamp. All right, the next thing we need
It
is
works. Okay.
a warm layer. So I just happen to have this warm layer right here. Clay, you ready for it?
I get it. Is it going to fit? Oh, I get it where Tyler's warm layer. Awesome.
Here it comes.
Okay,
Here's
I'm ready.
coming. All right, you got it? Oh, yep, there you go.
I got it. Okay, it's in
All
my
right.
back.
What
else?
See, what else here? Looks like we're gonna maybe start having some hand sanitizer in our possibility sacks. Jamie, do you have some hand sanitizer?
I know
I
about
just so
hand
happen to have
sanitizer.
some really cool new CSC 50th reunion hand sanitizer just for you, Clay.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thanks. Oh, it's 50 years. 50 years. We've been here for 50 years.
50 summers in the
I haven't been here for 50 years. I've only been here for 1 year.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so next thing. You might have it on your head already. Sometimes you want your pack, but it's nice to have a hat for the sunny days. Clay, I'm going to toss it your way. You ready?
Okay.
Here it comes.
It's got a different logo on it. I get a new hat. Okay.
All right. Looks like you might want to play some games or some stuff during your day out on camp property. Might be good to maybe have a frisbee in your pack. Play some frisbee. Jamie, do you have one of
I
those?
got one.
All right.
Oh, yeah. I love Frisbee.
I'm going to toss it
Go.
to Tyler first, though.
Okay.
Oh, Jamie,
Nice.
nice throw. All right, Clay, I'm going to throw it your way. This is going in your possibility stack. You ready?
Okay.
Here it comes.
I'm like, awesome.
All right.
Look. Okay.
All right. Well,
That's in there too.
frisbee. All right. So when you're going
It's in
out,
my pack.
it's of course good to be prepared and have a first aid kit. So we're going to give Clay a first aid kit to have. Of course, usually staff members would be carrying these, but we're going to pack a first aid kit for safety. Clay, it is coming your way on 3.
Okay, I want to be safe.
3. Here it comes. Yes.
Okay, are there Band-Aids? I always need Band-Aids.
They're definitely
Okay.
Band-Aids. Yes. All right. We got the first aid kit. Now, I think we got one more kind of fun thing that we want to carry around our possibility sack. I think, Jamie, you might have it. Do you have that thing?
I do. I have a very fun item from Staff Week. A rubber chicken. All right, I'm dropping it down to you.
Yeah. Yes, I got a chicken. Okay.
Go ahead and put that chicken in your possibility sack there, Clay. All right, so now we got to figure out where we're going.
Okay.
Where?
I'll close it up.
All right, close that up. All right.
And put it on.
All right, so Clay, where are we headed?
Okay. Let's go to the campfire.
Great idea. Let's go to the campfire. We'll see you all
Place it down there.
All right. Bye-bye. See you soon.